guys, and welcome to yet another exciting episode where we get to show you or showcase the finest of properties here in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Now today I will be showing you a 2 and 3 bedroom apartment here currently in the heart of Lekki phase 1. Now this is a humongous project. I'm going to be gisting you all about it. First and foremost, this project is sitting on 10,000 square meters parcel of land, and it comprises of 2 and 3 bedroom apartments, as I said. Now it's 4 buildings. 4 buildings consist of 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom apartments. Now each of the block consists of 30 units of 2 and 3 bedroom apartments. On each floor we have 4 units, 2 bedroom apartment to the right and 3 bedroom apartment to the left. Now on each block we have 10 floors. The first floor and the ground floor will be used for parking space. Each person, each unit is entitled to 2 parking space. Before I tell you all the beautiful things that you'll be getting or the facilities you'll be getting in this particular project, let me show you. This is the living space. One thing I love about this particular apartment is it's very spacious. The developer was very intentional with space. This is the living space. You can see it is already furnished. Now this is a sample unit, guys. This is how the living room is going to look like. It's very spacious. Now you can also put your your Christmas tree. You have pots to put your Christmas tree, and we have the dining set over there. Now that dining set is big enough because it can take up to about 6 persons there. Now look at it. So this is it. This is the dining set. It comes with a chandelier, but it doesn't come with this furniture. So what this particular space comes with, it only comes with the chandelier and the light fixtures. So every other thing doesn't come with it. The AC doesn't come with it. It is just set for you to see how the space will look like. Now let's check one of the rooms. We have 3 rooms here. There's a 3 bedroom we'll showcase into you. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom doesn't come with the bed, but it comes with this wardrobe. Now each of the wardrobe, the Formicas are fantastic. Now each of the materials that was used for this particular property, they're all imported except the tiles on the floor. Now you have very good quality materials that was used for this. Now I also like the fact that each of the rooms have airways. Now what I mean by airways, I'm talking about enough space for sunlight. You have a balcony here, a balcony for this master bedroom. Yes, let's see, this is the balcony. Sorry, construction is still going on. And we have the window here. Now this will give you enough space for light. Now let's check out the bedrooms. They are not done yet, so you would have like the glass cubicle to prevent you from splashing water here. So this faucets are beautiful. You have a pot where you can put your towels or put your toiletries or whatever it is you need to put here. And you have the floating vanity. Now I cannot overemphasize the quality of every material that was used in this particular form. So you can see this is the floating vanity. Beautiful. Comes with this light, with this mirror, so you see. So let's check the other rooms. In all of the apartments that have been shown to you, like I told you earlier on, that space was not compromised in this particular development. Now I love this, a special space where you can just be creative here. You can see what the developer did here. They created something beautiful, so you can do something different, or you can do something better, or better still, you can replicate what you have here. So you have 1 room to the right and 1 room to the left. So let's check one of these rooms. This is the master's bedroom, or this is madam's room, because hello, this is beautiful. So this is the space. Now however, each of the rooms can actually take a 6x6. Now this isn't a 6x6, this is a 5x4, and still with a 6x6, you still have enough space. There's enough space, and you can decide to probably use one of these places for to put your vanity mirror. So you have a window here, you have a window here, you also have a window here. So you have enough space for, sunlight and ventilation, and you also have another mirror, another window close to the wardrobe. Now the wardrobe is beautiful. I cannot get over I can't get over the color. I think this is ash and beige. This is just so beautiful, and the color of the wall, it's not white actually, it's not the usual white, but the color was actually, it complemented the wardrobe here. And we have the bedroom here. This is the bedroom. It's practically the same. Have the bedroom here. You can see this is fantastic. I would like to show you. It's not common, so let's check this. So welcome guys. This is the last room. It's still spacious, guys. Now this has the smallest wardrobe, but I won't say it's actually small, it's big. You can see you have enough space, and the bedroom this particular one has a bathtub. I'm sure you must be wondering that, yes, the bathtub is usually in the master bedroom, but they wanted something a bit different, so I guess the space actually warranted a bathtub. So you have a bathtub here, although you don't have a walk-in shower, you just have a bathtub here, and you have your sink here, and of course each of the rooms have this mirror here. This is beautiful, and your WC here. Now the walls, like I say, it's not the usual tiles you find on the wall. This is fantastic. So guys, this is the kitchen. Each of the equipment here are product of Bosch. So you can see this kitchen doesn't actually come with the washing machine and the double door fridge. So it was put there for you to know that a double door fridge can get in here conveniently. So you have just this, the oven and the microwave, and you have the gas burner. Then you also have the heat extractor here. So this is where we have the stove. And trust me, the kitchen is spacious. You can put your deep freezer and do whatever it is you need to do here. You can use here for whatever space. So this place has tons of cabinetries. You have here, and you also have here. Now back to the main reason, to all the deals, to all the juicy parts. I've showed you the property. Now I'm going to show you all the things you'll be getting here. Come, let's go to the parlor. Let's sit down and have a chit chat. So before we go in, when you come into this living room, you have like I would say a corridor. Now this is the place where you can put your Hall of Fame, your Walk of Heart here, and you have the visitors restroom. Guys, now anyone that comes into this visitors restroom, trust me, would not want to leave here. This is so welcoming. This is really, really nice. The visitors restroom. And let's go for the main chat, guys. Okay, so here we have 2-bedroom apartment and 3-bedroom apartment. Like I said, the 2-bedroom apartment is in the market for 269.5 million naira, while the 3-bedroom apartment is in the market for 339.5 million naira. Now guys, it's all inclusive. No hidden charge, no extra payment on everything. Everything is inclusive. Now this project will be delivered first quarter 2025 with an initial deposit of 70%, and you spread payment for 3 months. You are on your way to owning a unit here. And guys, look, there's no need to waste time because we have very few units available. This is a project that you do not want to miss out on. In fact, to be very honest with you, in all honesty, the developer was very intentional about this particular project. Now, if you're just joining us for the very first time, guys, you know now. Click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course, you know the way we do it, smash on the like button. Now remember, no matter who you're buying from, guys, make sure you do your due diligence. There's no time. I expect that you start having a conversation with your spouse, and call your account officers. And the next thing is to dial my number. Okay, guys? So until I come your way next time, do have an amazing day. Kisses and Merry Christmas, guys.